Welcome back, everybody. This is Damaris Everyday, and I am Damaris, and today's video is a nail video. I am showing you the Marmalade nails in Blitz. These are the matte black coffin nails with the hot pink thunderbolts on them, and I just cannot wait to show you the end result for these. I'm just going to do a classic opening unboxing, if you will, show you guys what they have inside. As you can see, it comes in a standard Marmalade packaging where it kind of highlights what you're getting in there. And then when you open it up, we have all of the Marmalade utensils that it normally comes with, which is like standard for press-on nails. It'll come with the nails, the extra nails. They have an actual nail remover with their logo on it, which I love. They have their glue, they have a cuticle pusher in there, and also a nail buffer and a file. Excuse me. So yeah, enjoy. So the first thing you want to start doing is just buffering, and well, not buffering, but definitely following your nails to get all of the dead skin and to start your nails with a good clean slate. So just use the nail file that it comes with, file them down, and then afterwards use some nail polish remover and apply that to your nails to get all of the debris and the dead nail skin off of your nails. So this will actually help with making your nails last a whole lot longer. Now once you've done that, you're going to choose the sizes of your nails. You may have done so already, it's cool. But I did that after I actually pulled out all of my nails and chose my sizes. Once you get your sizes all checked out, you take your glue, add at least 2 drops of glue into the nail and 1 drop of glue onto your nail, and just apply your nail, hold it down for about 15 seconds each nail, and then you're actually all set. Now I did not show me doing every last nail because again, 15 seconds per minute nail, sorry, not per minute, but per nail. That's going to be a really long video, you just watching me do that. But the end results are very, very flattering. I love these nails. They're gonna last quite a while, at least 2 to 3 weeks. And oh yes, they do glow under a black light. They do not glow in the dark, but they do glow under a black light. And I think that was like the fun part for me, is seeing if the neon colors will pick up under a black light, which I love. I see a lot of people doing that as of lately. And yeah. So if you got a black light, light blue, off light, or the UV light, it's definitely going to show in that. These nails are absolutely adorable. They are matte black. Again, it's a matte finish. It's not shiny or anything like that. What you're picking up on is the lotion that I put on afterwards to moisturize my hands. But if you're looking for something really fun for the warmer climate, or just fun in general, because I tend to wear things like this all year, definitely pick these up. They're very nice, sturdy. Marmalade Nails is a really good brand, sorry. And it's just a lot of fun. It's about 15 bucks. I will leave the link in the video. So definitely, if you like this video, leave a like, have a follow, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy.